न्याय दो, न्याय दो। होश में आओ, होश में आओ। काम करो, काम करो। होश में आओ, होश में आओ। नहीं सहेंगे, नहीं सहेंगे। न्याय दो, न्याय दो। न्याय दो, न्याय दो। जवाब दो, जवाब दो। अल्लाह बोल, अल्लाह बोल। 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 नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। न्याय दो, न्याय दो। न्याय दो, न्याय दो। न्याय दो, न्याय दो। न्याय दो, न्याय दो। We want justice. We want justice. नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। Down, 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 down. नहीं सहेंगे, नहीं सहेंगे। नहीं सहेंगे, नहीं सहेंगे। होश में आओ, होश में आओ। काम करो, काम करो। न्याय दो, न्याय दो। सुरक्षा दो। Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. इन्कलाब जिंदाबाद। इन्कलाब जिंदाबाद। We want justice. We want justice. Kerala want justice. This is for Kerala people. This is for Kerala people. जवाब दो, जवाब दो। We want justice. We want justice. Kerala want justice. Kerala want justice. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Kerala want justice. Kerala want justice. Allah bol, Allah bol. 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 Allah bol, Allah bol.
साथियों, ये प्रोटेस्ट हमारा जब तक जारी रहेगा, जब तक कोई संदेश सही से नहीं आता, तो ताकत बचा कर रखें और अपने अपनी बात रखें। ये युवाओं का एक प्रतिरोध है। वो प्रतिरोध उस समय है जब तमाम की तमाम राजनीतिक पार्टियां चुप्पी से लिए हैं। वो तमाम पार्टियां जिनको हम वोट देते थे, जो उनसे हम बात उम्मीद करते थे कि वो केरला के लोगों के साथ में खड़ी होंगी, लेकिन शायद उन्होंने ये मान लिया है कि केरला हिंदुस्तान का हिस्सा नहीं है। हम तमाम लोगों के पास कुछ खबरें हैं, कुछ खबरें नहीं हैं, लेकिन वो तमाम लोग जो केरला के रहने वाले हैं, आज यहाँ इस प्रदर्शन में हैं, वो इस बात का इत्मीनान रखें कि हमारे जैसे तमाम इंसाफ पसंद लोग आपके साथ हैं और आपकी आवाज को उतनी ही मजबूती और उतनी ही ताकत से उठाएंगे जितनी ताकत से आप उठाते हैं। आप लोग बिल्कुल ये महसूस नहीं करें कि आपकी परेशानी में, आपके दुख में आप अकेले हैं। वो तमाम लोग जो सिर्फ एक रात में हम लोगों ने 11 बजे कॉल दी और इतने सारे लोग आकर इकट्ठा हुए हैं, वो आपके साथ सॉलिडरिटी दिखाने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं कि सरकारें चाहे जो कुछ करती रहें, इंसानियत अभी जिंदा है। हमारे बीच में जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी के रिसर्च स्कॉलर वसीम हैं, जो कि कालीकट के रहने वाले हैं। मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो आए और सबके सामने ब्रीफ में जो है वो पूरी बात रखें, ताकि सभा उसके बाद आगे चलाई जा सके।
Dear friends, this time I'm not saying thank you to all of you gathered here, because this is our duty to be gathered here, at least in this moment. We are so late. We are living in the capital of the nation, and this is almost, I think, 2 weeks we are facing the largest flood in the history of the Kerala state. And of course, the people who gathered here, not all from Kerala, but the people from other side, people from foreign countries. And it is, as Nadeem Bhai said, it is the clear indication that humanity is not dead at this point of time. But the question is that the central government, the approach of the central government toward the Kerala state in relation to the flood relief and in relation to the flood rescue operations, it is based on their prejudice, it's based on their biasness towards a state. If you see the national development, the Kerala state, which gave everything, if you take the health indicators, if you take the decentralization governance policies, Kerala state is the first in all these kind of health indicators and other development indicators. But when a flood came, it is true that we are not giving votes for BJP, or we are not promoting some kind of right-wing ideologies. We are not giving some kind of member of parliament for BJP. But that is not an issue to be discussed in this time, because the government, the central government, taking it as a political calamity. They are not taking it as a the natural calamity. They are using it as a political calamity. So in this time, we have to say that it is our duty. It is our duty not only to raise some money, not only to collect some foods, not only to collect some clothes to the people. Yes, of course, these all things are needed for the people in Kerala right now. But the main question is a political question. The main question is a political question, that this central government is taking it as a political issue. That is, some people from Kerala, the people from Kerala are not voting for the BJP. So because of that, we will not consider the life of the people who are residing in this Kerala. If you see, when in Gujarat, the 2 districts were affected by the flood, the government, on the first day, they said that we will give 500 crores. The first day they said, when in the Jammu flood happened, the first they said we will give 1,000 crores. And the whole army deployed there. The Navy, the Air Force, all forces were deployed in these states. But when it comes to the Kerala, the approach of the central government is at most different. They are saying that it is not that much an issue, and they are saying that the people who are residing there, mostly minorities, mostly from Christians, mostly from Muslims, so don't give anything to that. Who this you in this time? Who the hell you are saying this kind of first verse to this You see, everybody has blood. Everybody is the color of the blood is red. And this is not the right time to say you are Hindu, you are the Muslim, you are the Christian, you are the Communist, you are the BJP. That is why if you see, here are many people from different political orientations, people from different universities, people from different religions. They gathered here. We have to give a strong voice to the center. We are not with your divisive politics. We are not with your communal politics. We are not with your divisive policies. It is the high time. We will fight. We will fight for the justice. We will fight for the rights of the people. And of course, whatever the things we can do in the capital, that we have to do. But at the same time, we have to think that this is the time that whatever the connection you have with political parties, whatever the connection with your bureaucracy.